Okay guys, so good morning. So we lost again yesterday. So two lost 2 days consecutive. So we are here now at how much negative. So I cash in I cash in 25. So 25 25 25 cash in 25. So our starting is 3,078. So we had a commission. So okay. So total negative, total cash out profit is how much is this total cash out profit. So we'll compute later. For now we get 10 units, 100 peso bet. So I double my unit size so that I can recover. Okay, I can recover because I have negatives. So let's go. So I'm doing the Excel file for you guys. I want full screen. So for you to track, because I can track it myself here in the website. So let's go. So let's go here. Oh, why did I do that? But it's alright. It's the good row. It's the good shoe. It shows the good shoe. But I lost. Oh my goodness. First bet loss, second bet win. Okay, let's go. I, if I started earlier, I could have lost here already. And because of that, we dodged a bullet. So I think we're good. Okay, I think we're good here because we dodged a bullet. But it's not. But still, loss. Loss in space. We go 400. Oh, win. So we already had 2 units, but we're here betting 400. Okay, still a loss. Oh my goodness, am I gonna get beat up again? Okay, 800. Let's go. So 15 players in a row. What the fuck is that picture? Nice. So we didn't lose. So we're betting on player now. All of our loss is, I think, came from the from the banker bet, because I bet safer on player. I only bet at 7 in a row, so I think it's much safer. But in player side, I think we're gonna bet 4 in a row. Didn't reduce. A loss also here. So 200 here, 400 here. Oh my goodness. 200 there also. Another loss. Oh fuck. To 400 bet. Okay. Oh, another dangerous. It's dangerous. 400 bet. Luckily, he reduced. Okay. So, our target is 4,000 plus. For one, maybe. Our target is for one. Hmm. a lot of loss. I'm experiencing a lot of loss here. But that's why we have our bankroll, 5 steps martingale. We have our strategy. So our strategy is to overcome 4 loss in a row. But if we have a 5 loss in a row, we lost. Okay. And maybe okay, let's go. First, I gonna recover my cash in, so I think I will cash out 1.5 for today, 1,000 for this morning, and 500 this afternoon. Okay. Another loss. No, no. Oh no, oh no, oh yes. We'll bet 400. A win. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh no. Reduce. Please, yes. That's nice. Okay. We bet on player. We're getting near our target. So let's just go and continue. Okay. I think it's a win here. Should have been a loss here, but I win. Oh, luckily I win the player bet. So last 2 units and I'm out. It's gonna be my last 2 units and I'll cash out 1,000. We're out. Nice one. So this will be my last unit. Picture. Nice one. So that's all for this session, guys. So if you have a comment, suggestion, please write down below, comment down below. So if you're gonna gamble, please gamble in moderation. Do not bet money that you can't afford to lose. So that's all, guys. uh, Use strategy like I am doing. Use stop loss. The stop loss is very important, so I'm gonna cash out. So that's very important, because if I don't have stop loss, I would have lost everything yesterday. So I didn't evoke for 128. For 128. So I win 150. So my commission is 500. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna total cash out 1,000. So total cash in. So total cash out profit equals 25 minus 25 minus 1.5 minus 1,550. So I still have negative 3,050 to work with, but it's a green. So I still have negative 3,050. So we will continue this afternoon. So I'm gonna get 500. So all for today, guys. Thank you, guys.